Time is the continued sequence of existence and events that occurs in an apparently irreversible succession from the past, through the present, into the future. Time is often referred to as a fourth dimension, along with three spatial dimensions. Time in physics is operationally defined as what a clock reads. In general relativity, the question of what time it is now only has meaning relative to a particular observer. Distance and time are intimately related, and the time required for light to travel a specific distance is the same for all observers, as first publicly demonstrated by Michelson and Morley. General relativity does not address the nature of time for extremely small intervals where quantum mechanics holds. At this time, there is no generally accepted theory of quantum general relativity. Time can also be described in the form of arrow. Arrow is something that can distinguish the past from the future, giving a direction to time. Those arrows can be described as psychological arrow of time, thermodynamics arrow of time, and cosmological arrow of time. Psychological arrow of time can be described as the memory function of human or computer. It can point what happened but not what will happen. We call it past about what we did or the time that deceased, and we don't know about future or the time coming. Another arrow of time is thermodynamics arrow of time. It explains that everything heads towards order to disorder. For example, we can see the cup falling from a table and breaking, but never a broken pieces moving back into the table to form a cup. Time is on the direction of disorder. If it wasn't, we would see a person die before he was born, or say everything would have gone reverse. The next arrow of time is cosmological arrow of time. As many scientists claim that the universe is expanding constantly since Big Bang, time can be described along with this expansion. As the universe is expanding, time is going forward and forward. But if universe stopped to expand and started to reverse, will time go backwards? If that happened, universe would have worked reverse, hence making possibility of our existence around zero. So time can be described into many terms. People also describe time as part of dimension in which events occur in sequence. Some also call it illusion or just our imagination. What do you call time in your opinion? Comment down and share your idea. And yes, don't forget to subscribe.